So I'm gonna start my first farm video. We're gonna be starting up this bobcat. I don't know what number it is, but it's S59 something. But anyway, this is how you start it. Sit down on the seat. You turn the key, it'll start beeping. Then you watch the time until it goes down. Now, I always put it on this just because, I guess I just do. And I gotta let it warm up again. And now we crank her. And then to get started, there's this arm right here that you have to pull down, and then you press this button, and then it works. And that's how you start it.